viewers, suppose you see this question in your next exam, maybe Jamb, WAEC, or NECO, how do you answer this question? Now, if you look carefully, this question says hydrogen diffuses through a porous plug dash as oxygen, and you are given this option at the same rate, that is at the same rate as oxygen, B 5 times as fast as oxygen, C 4 times as fast as oxygen, D twice as fast as oxygen. Now, you should know that this question is from what? It's from Graham's law of diffusion. Subscribe to this YouTube channel, Edusam Academy, so that you get updates whenever I upload, videos. I'm going to still make videos on Graham's law to give you detailed explanation on what Graham's law is all about. All right, let's dive into this question now. You should know that in Graham's law of diffusion, our formula is given to be R1 over R2 equals to square root of what? Of M2 over what? M1. Are we together? So now, where R is the rate of diffusion of the first gas, R2 is the rate of diffusion of the second gas, then molar mass of the relative molecular mass of the first gas, of the second gas rather, the relative molecular mass of the first gas. All right. So now, looking at the gases we are being supplied, so let's get our relative molecular mass from there. So we have our hydrogen, that is hydrogen equals to what? 1 times 2. Are we together? Then how about oxygen? Oxygen equals to what? 16 times 2. This gives me 2. This gives me what? This gives me 32. 16 times 2 is 32. All right, 32, gram per mole, then gram per mole. All right, so now, I have my relative molecular mass. So hydrogen is my M1. This is the relative molecular mass for my M1, and then oxygen is relative molecular mass for my M2. So we want to know if hydrogen diffuses at the same rate as oxygen, or 5 times as fast as oxygen, or 4 times as fast as what? As oxygen, whatsoever. All right. So now let's impute this into our what? Into our equation. So we have R1 over R2 equals to my M2 is what? My M2 is what? 32 over my M1 is what? Is 2. Are we together now? Where my R1 over R2 equals to 32 divided by 2. It gives me square root of what? 16. And what is the square root of 16? Square root of 16 equals to what? 4. So my R1 over R2 equals to 4. If you cross multiply, you will see that my R1 equals to 4R2. That means that my hydrogen, which is my R1, diffuses through a porous plug 4 times as that of what? My R2, which is that of oxygen. So my options is what? Is C. 4 times as fast as what? Oxygen. And that is my final answer. Thank you for watching and subscribe for more. See you in my next video.